Hello everyone, this is Yogesh Joshi from Indian Chemical News magazine, and today we are with Mr. M.V. Rao. You are the managing director for a company called Fenix Process Technologies. It's a Pune-based company and pretty old in the industry. Welcome, Mr. M.V. Rao.
Thank you.
Thank you
very much.
for sparing time out of your busy schedule and speaking with us.
Thank you very much.
So, sir, can you tell our readers a little bit about what Fenix Technologies is all about?
Yeah, Phoenix is a small EPC company. So we are into distillation technologies. We are the plant manufacturers for solvent recovery for pharma industry and chemical distillation for the chemical industry. We are also into petrochemicals, oil and gas. We supply various kind of process equipments. So we are based out of Pune, and our manufacturing facility is near Pune. So we have a world-class manufacturing facility for manufacturing all the process equipments. So that's how, and we export to more than 60 countries all over the world. And we have tie-ups in for the technologies in the US, from the US, and also Turkey, and in the Asia Pac region also.
So, you spoke about the export model that you have 60 countries, you said, right? How do you do it? Is it through channel partners or is it a direct network?
Generally, we go to, that is how I built over the years.
Okay.
So we used to go to a lot of shows all over the world. That's how we, developed our dealer network, agents network. As you know, this is not just a commodity item. This goes with some technology. So we need some technical expertise whenever our agent goes to the client, end client. So we have network of people all over the world, more than 60 countries. So we support them with the technical knowledge, and then take care of the local markets. That's how we do.
In terms of the revenue spread, if we talk about percentage-wise, if we could briefly.
Exports used to be 50 earlier. It has dropped down to 30, but it is picking up now. Yeah, this year will be 50%.
And which are the major countries that you export to?
A lot of countries. I said US is the major one now, and we just got one project in Iraq through our Turkish partner. So otherwise, small things, it goes all over the world. Europe.
I see.
Asia Pac.
Okay.
Latin America as well. Now Latin America is slow. Middle East also. Iraq project we got now.
Okay. In terms of the manufacturing setup that you have in India, I believe R&D plays a big role in terms of ensuring that you try to remain at the leading leadership position in the market.
We always work on solutions where it has got some niche. We develop our own processes for our clients. We have got our R&D plants in our factory. So, and we use latest softwares. Like we are tied up with Aspen Technologies from the US. We use their softwares. So that is how we bring in value addition to our clients. Yeah. Yes. Then we develop the products as per that.
Quite interesting. With regard to the business scenario, let's say, if we were to talk, especially with the with the last 2.5 years have been quite tough and challenging for the entire world, I believe, from a professional as well as personal standpoint, if we were to say. How do you see the market opening up for your organization, be it from a global as well as India standpoint?
Yes, of course. As you know, for the last 2.5 years has been a tough for everybody. For us, it has been a blessing in disguise. The pharma industry has done very well. So after the COVID, because they have expanded their capacities like anything mad. So our products goes into solvent recovery systems for all pharma APIs. So we got a big orders from companies like Biocon, and also from Aurobindo, DB's labs in Hyderabad, So this has been a good year for us. So,
And
but otherwise, everybody.
looks great.
Yeah, pharma has little slowed down, but other things, petrochemical picking up. And US some technologies, we are working on a technology called biomass to ethanol.
Okay, that's a very
Yeah, our subject now. So we are in the process of developing that process. We have a patented technology. So we are making a pilot plant now in our shop for them, for the US. So after testing, then they will go for bigger plants.
I see.
Yeah, yeah, biomass to ethanol. That is the very hot top. Yeah.
Okay. In terms of chemical and petrochemical, can you talk a little bit about your client portfolio on the India side of it? Or
Chemicals, if you see, there is a company called UPL and Aarti Industries, SRF in Delhi. These are companies, Vinyl Chemicals, Vinati Organics. They are all coming up with expansions now. Yeah, yeah. Petrochemicals, we are not very much, but we have presence in Taiwan. Petrochemicals. That is the largest
Okay.
petrochemical industry in
Okay.
world.
Quite interesting.
So we
That's
supply to
okay.
a lot of companies in Taiwan.
I see. Wonderful. Great, sir. One last question. So I think the worst is over behind us now, especially when it comes to this pandemic, if we talk about, and the future looks quite bright and shiny. So where do we see Fenix? Let's say down the line, 5 years from now, if not a larger or wider horizon.
So we are going to grow. We are going to grow. So in revenue terms also we are going to double this in next year itself. So we, as I told you, we have a strategic partnership with US company. They are in a big way in the ethanol business. So they are tying up with us. So the volumes are going to go